Hello, everyone. I hope you are having a great day. Today, I will teach you what are roll-up summaries and how we can obviously use them in Salesforce. So let's go, and I'll give you a step-by-step demonstration. So a roll-up summary field in a master detailed relationship aggregates data from child reports and displays the result on the related master records, allowing calculation like sum, count, min, or max according to the Salesforce documentation. For example, if you wanted to calculate something on child object based on the parent object, then you will create a roll-up summary field on the master detail relationship. It will save your time, obviously, and it will give you an automation. So that's how we will create roll-up summary in the master detail relationship. So coming to the practical part, and I will show you how we can create a roll-up summary field in the master detail relationship. So now coming on to the topic, in my previous video, I have created two fields. One was lookup and another was master detail. So roll-up summary fields can only be created on the master detail relationship. So first we will get to know that we can create the roll-up summaries on lookup field or not. So we will go to the student object because we have created a lookup relationship on the student object. So we will go over here and if we'll choose the fields and relationship and click new, then we can see that this data type is not available. We are not be able to add roll-up summaries on the lookup relationship. Now going back to our master object like book, we have created the field on the book object. So we will just click the book and go to the fields and relationship. And if we click new, then we will be able to see that this field is activated. That means we can create roll-up summaries on master detail relationship. Let me read the line first. This is a read-only field that displays the sum, minimum, or maximum value of a field in a related list or the record count of all records listed in a related list. So basically it is only a read-only field. You cannot edit this field because it is a roll-up summary. It calculates automatically. So you are not able to edit it by yourself. And it will help you to count the records or related list in the master detail relationship. So we will create roll-up summary and we will click it as our data type and click next. And because we wanted to calculate the record type, we will just write record count as a field label. We can add description, we can add help desk if you wanted. If you wanted to use this field in a custom report type, you can just click yes and then next. Now, where do you want to summarize it? If you wanted to summarize it on the book history, you can just click book history. Book histories has the master detail relationship. That's why it is only give one object, which is book history. Now, if you wanted to count the records, the total records on both the objects, you will select count as your data type, but you can choose sum, min, max. If you will choose sum, min, max, then aggregation field will be visible. For example, this, see, but because we just wanted to count the records, then we will just click count as our data types. Then there will be more filter criteria. All records should be included in the calculation. If you wanted to include all the records, then you can just select this. If you wanted to calculate just some records based on the criteria, you can just put it over here. Like if, for example, if book history name equals to like sold out. Okay, sold out. Let me say sold out. Okay, you just wanted to count those number of books that are sold out. You can choose a certain criteria. I will just keep it like this. because I wanted to just calculate those books which are sold out. And then we will click next. And then if you want to make it visible, yes, I want it to. And then next, book page layout, and then save. So we will go to the book history again, the object, we will refresh it. Okay, we will create a one book which is any serial number, and the student will be Samantha. And then we will create a book history. Book history is sold out, and book will be this, and we will create it. Now we will make an other record, any book history name, which will be again sold out, because we wanted to calculate only those books which are sold out. And I will go George, and I will click save. Okay, now another one, for example, in progress, and then we will keep this in the under the same and save. So now you can see we have one book history which is in progress and two are sold out. So we will see our roll up summary fields, that how it is counting the numbers of the sold out books. So we have created one sold out and one in progress, and one is sold out in another book. So we will go to the book object, and we will choose this serial number, which is 54637, and then we can say that only one book is sold out in the under this book object, this serial number. One book is sold out. So if there are many thousand records under your second object, it will automatically give you a calculated amount over here, and will let you know. You don't have to count it manually, like okay, 1 2 3 4,000 2,000 or 3,000 books are sold, or 5,000 books are sold. It will automatically roll up for you. So yeah, if we'll go back to the other book, which is 54536, and then over here also you will see that only one book is sold out under the serial number. And if we'll go back again in the book history, and for example, I'll create another book sold out, and I'll add this under this serial number, under this book, and save. Coming back to the book, then we will see that two books are sold out. Two books are sold out. So this is it for today. I hope you understand that how we can create a roll-up summaries and what is the purpose of roll-up summaries in master data relationship. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Take care.